boy. Ooh, look at look at that thing. Yeah, boy. Golly, boy. Look at that thing, boy. Ooh, wait. Man, look at it. YouTube, boy. What it do, man? What it do, homie? What it do, homie? And what happened? What year this is? A night, what it, 74, y'all heard of YouTube, 1974. Delta 88, Oldsmobile drop top. Man, y'all see that thing, boy. Clean, boy. Y'all heard it, man. Y'all heard it, man. Hey, that's it right there, boy. Boy, that thing nice. Man, y'all hear that thing? Hey, that's that big block sound, ain't it? What else, 455 big block? Man, y'all see it, YouTube? Y'all see that thing, boy? Woo! YouTube! Tone! That what's up? This your boy.
You know how we do it. We fuck with the old school. Excuse me for cussing, but hey, I'm fussing and cussing. We do it this way, man.
Hey,
Get it! Yeah!
tell them what you got right here. Tell them what you got.
Man, I got a 75. Delta 88 Oldsmobile. You know what I mean? You know, you know what I mean? I'm working on this thing, baby.
Hey, what you say? Working on this.
455 in this baby.
Hey, keep working on your LS swap. Keep working on your big block. Keep working on your small block engine. You know what I'm saying? You can take this same principle and apply it to anything, YouTube. Today, we're gonna look at exactly what kind of difference an X-Pipe and some Flowmaster mufflers will make, YouTube. Man, what a difference, man. But first thing first, though, if you like LS swaps, yup, just to let y'all know, YouTube, we just did a LS swap on a 72 convertible Impala. And we did the whole swap, YouTube. We did all of our wiring. You know what I'm saying? We show you step by step how to do your LS swap wiring. We did our fuel system. We show you step by step, YouTube, how to do the fuel system. Whatever it is you want to know about LS swap, YouTube. Guess what, YouTube? I'm satisfied, YouTube. If you've been thinking about doing an LS swap, if you have the intentions on doing an LS swap, YouTube, let Chevys R Us help you do your LS swap, YouTube. I know how important it is to make sure that your LS swap goes as quick as possible. I know how important it is to make sure your LS swap is easy. Look here, YouTube, I need you to do a few things for me. Number one, make sure you watch this video, the whole video, all the way through. You'll find out exactly what kind of performance enhancements that Flowmasters and an X-Pipe will make on your car. I need you to make sure you pay attention because I don't want you to miss nothing, YouTube. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn your notification bell on, YouTube. And make sure you drop me a comment in the comment section and say I'm riding with Chevys R Us, Tone. YouTube, this your boy, Tony Tone coming back at y'all one more again, YouTube, with another great video on Chevys R Us, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. We in the garage, but we ain't finna do no work in the garage today, YouTube. Today, YouTube, we gonna show you exactly what kind of performance enhancements that an X-Pipe and Flowmasters will make on your big block, on your LS swap, on your Chevrolet small block, whatever. It don't even matter, YouTube. We just gonna show you exactly what it can do for you, YouTube. Alright? Let's get it. Got my man Zoe out here, man. Say what's up to YouTube, Zoe.
What's happening?
Man, we finna get ready to crank this big hog up, man. To crank the peak thing up. Let y'all hear what it sound like with a cold start. You know, I know we in the garage, but you know, he's gonna get this right here put on, y'all. Y'all see this X-Pipe? So let's see what it sound like. All right, YouTube, y'all hear that? Uh-oh, YouTube, y'all hear it? That's that big block, y'all. 455 big block, y'all see it? That's that big block, YouTube. YouTube, get ready to pull that thing out the garage. Get ready to go to the exhaust shop. There go boy Zoe right there. There you go, y'all. Ooh. There he is, y'all. Hey, get ready to pull that thing out. Get that X-Pipe put on right there. Y'all see that X-Pipe? There it is right there. Yup. Get that put on right there. We're going to put that on in the car. Right there. Yup. Pull that thing out the garage. Oh! Alright, you good. Oh boy, you about that close. Hey boy, you about that close. Hit that truck. Watch that cone over there. Yeah, you good. There you go, y'all. There go the pink thing coming out. There you go. On to the exhaust shop. We'll see y'all in a minute, YouTube. Alright, YouTube. This what the big block sound like without the X-Pipe and without the Flowmasters, YouTube. As y'all can tell, it's actually pretty quiet. Hit it a little bit, Zoe. Yeah, that sounds pretty quiet, YouTube. All right, YouTube. Headed over to Zoe's house. Finna get ready to go pick him up. And take him to go get his 75 convertible Oldsmobile. The shop called. They said his car is ready. So he just got the X-Pipe and also the Flowmasters put on his convertible Oldsmobile. It's got a big block in it, YouTube. I think it's a 455 big block. So, hey, we're gonna get Zoe's reaction when we pick him up, and we're gonna get his reaction when he hears his car, YouTube. So y'all stay tuned, all right? Be back in a minute, YouTube. What's going on, man? What's up with you, man? You ready to go pick this thing up, man?
We about to go pick up Pinky, and we about to see what this thing gonna sound like, y'all. So stay tuned.
Hey, y'all heard it, man. Hey, that's what's up. It's a big day right here. It's a major milestone right here. You know what I'm talking about? So, y'all heard him, YouTube. We'll be back in a minute.
You got it looking good up under there.
What's it?
Oh, man, that thing looking good. Let's see how it sounds. Check it out.
Hey, man. Let's see. Oh yeah, there you go. Y'all see that X-Pipe? Right there, y'all see the X-Pipe. And there go the Flowmasters YouTube. Hey, don't crank it up yet. So y'all see that YouTube? Finna do the first crank in a minute. So wake this big block up. Car right there, YouTube. Hey, you wanna let him crank it up, man? While you stand in the back and listen, or you wanna listen what it sound like?
No, I'll crank it up.
Okay.
You know it take a minute sometimes, but
Yeah, I know.
Now, when it was on the rack, it took 4 or 5 times, but when I moved it the second time, perfect.